Let's talk about some creamy switches that some considered endgame. These are the Zaku linear switches, and believe it or not, these have a cult following. If you ever watched Gundam Wing growing up, this linear switch is based off the mobile suit Zaku. They're made of a palm stem, poly top, and nylon bottom. With a 63.5 gram double spring and long pull stem, these create a very snappy feel. These creamy switches will never be made again, so whatever they have currently in stock will be the absolute last of them. You can find these creamy switches on Ash Keeps. I have the link in my bio along with a 5% discount code, so take advantage.